Welcome to your Isuzu Ute Quick Tips Guide to getting the most out of your infotainment system. Let's set up Miracast in the Isuzu D-MAX. Before we begin, ensure your car is safely parked with the handbrake on and the ignition set to accessories. Miracast is for Wi-Fi connections only. It allows you to mirror your Android smartphone screen on the infotainment display, giving you control either through the unit's touchscreen or your Android smartphone. To connect an Android smartphone via Wi-Fi, on the settings screen, touch Wi-Fi. Then on the Wi-Fi settings screen, touch Miracast. The connection waiting screen will be displayed. On your Android phone, activate the Miracast application. Select Car Audio displayed on your phone, then touch OK. The caution screen will appear. Read it carefully and touch I agree. The Miracast screen will then appear. Now you're ready to enjoy an alternative wireless smartphone experience, all thanks to Miracast and the Isuzu D-MAX. For more information on the features of the Isuzu D-MAX, visit isuzute.com.au.